Question number 2. What you have done in the past to build the trust with the new team, new stakeholder or new customers who did not seem to be trust in you initially. Here, I would like to discuss about my one of the experience with the account management. When I was working with the account management, I joined one of the project where the people are developing proper management web application, which is integrated with finance and insurance features as well as. The team has on that time on the transition from the traditional waterfall to agile environment. I am also new for that organization, but the agile approach is also the newbie for the some of the team members, stakeholders, and even some of the manager as well as. So there are the general lack of the trust on me as a new customer, scrum master, and also as a overall agile process as well as. My task is to create a build and trust with them, make my team is more cohesive and supported them to completely transition from waterfall to agile environment without overwhelming them or causing the resistance. As a scrum master, first of all, I start to listening them. I try to understand what their concerns, whether it is about a lack of the documentations or there are shifting the roles or something lost in the control also. I start the one-on-one session with my key team members, stakeholders, and manager to understand their concern, try to develop the relationship with that, and understand what is the main pinpoint about them for the last previously delivery model also. After that, I will start introducing gradually on the Scrum framework, providing them the working session and giving them a guidance about the Scrum frameworks, giving them more training materials about the Scrums and there are events how to work to collaboratively working together. What is time boxing themes? Also, in initially sprints, we are more focusing about the learning perspective rather than the perfections. We also celebrated our small wins, how about to providing the working piece and completion of the user story and providing the demo to the stakeholders. I also developing the trust with the stakeholders by developing the clear communication channels with them, providing them update about what the team is working on, what are the sprint goals and what are the sprint reviews. I also encourage them to participate into the sprint review and providing their feedback also. Also, I will make sure that all the user story prioritized backlog items are also aligned with the business goals. So their stakeholder also understand that Agile is also providing them the clear visibility, predictability, and the faster delivery and high customer satisfaction rate also. As a result, after completion of the 2 to 3 sprint, I can see that my team's tone of working is shifting. They are become more productive and collaborative. Even the stakeholders are appreciating more visibility and the collaborations which they have also. Along with that, I can see end of the quarter, team will able to decrease the delivery delay and increase the satisfaction customers and the stakeholders significantly. Most importantly, I can see that team become more self-organized and owning their work. I able to create a bonding with my teams and they're gaining their trust also. As a result, my leaders are also the appreciated my team work and they are become the advocate for the agile process and to the other department as well. Thank you.